Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is just a big long sum to do with fractions. Now, the first thing we notice is that the fractions do not have the same denominator, and what we need to find is a common denominator. So if you have a look at the denominators, you will see that we've got 2, 4 and 8, and they could all be turned into 8s, into equivalent fractions with 8 along the bottom. Well, 1/8 is already an 8, so we don't need to change that one at all, so that can just stay as 1/8. A quarter, well, to get from quarters to 8s, you double the 4 to get 8, so whatever you do to the bottom number, you also do to the top number. So if you're doubling the 4 to get 8, you double the 1 to get 2, so that's 2/8, so a quarter's worth 2/8. And to get the 2 into an 8, you need to times it by 4, make it 4 times, but 2 times 4 makes 8. So you need to times the top number by 4 as well. 1 times 4 makes 4, so that's 4/8. So a half is worth 4/8. Now let's replace all the numbers. So we've got 3, take away 4/8, take away 2/8, take away 1/8. Now the easiest thing to do here is to talk about some pizzas. Well, we're starting with 3 whole ones. So let's imagine 3 whole pizzas. And we're dealing with 8s. So let's split each pizza into 8. Well, to split a pizza into 8, split it into 4 first, 4 quarters. Then split a quarter in half and you get 8 pieces if you split all the quarters in half. So let's do that again. So quarters first, then split in half again, and you'll end up with 8 pieces. Quarters first, split each quarter in half again, and you'll end up with 8 pieces. So that is my 3 whole ones. Now, what we've got to do here is take away 4/8. So it's almost like someone is coming along and eating 4/8. Well, let's cross off the 4/8. So 4/8 is now going. Someone's coming along and eating 4/8 of this pizza on the end. So that's the 4/8 taken off. Then someone else comes along and eats 2/8. So that's another 2/8 which are going. And then someone else comes along and eats another 1/8. So that's one more 8 which is going. So that's all of the bits of the calculation done. We've taken away a half, which was 4/8. We've taken away a quarter, which is 2/8, and we've taken away 1/8. So whatever is left is basically the answer to our problem. We've got one whole pizza left here, another whole pizza left here, and we've got one small 1/8 of the pizza left here that nobody has eaten. So altogether, we've got a whole one plus another whole one, which is 2 whole ones plus an extra 1/8 left. So that is our final answer. 3 take away a half, take away a quarter, take away an 1/8 equals 2 whole ones and 1/8.